Hi! In this video, I will show you how to make image bigger in Photopea. First, we will insert our image here. Click on Open and Place and select your image. To make this image even bigger, you can drag outward these adjustment points. As we can see here, the figures in this area changes. You can also input exact figures for exact size of your image. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!